See the starlight as the sunrise. Feel the magic as the DJ dies. Beat drops heavy, we feel so alive.
Hi, I'm Ryan Peacock. I'm a Deputy Care Manager here at Seashell, and welcome to our Sights and Sounds Festival. We're in full swing now. The festival happened last year and it was a great success. We wanted to make it even bigger and better this year. We've got the addition this year of an indoor nightclub, a live singer who you can probably hear behind me. We've got a fish and chip van, we've got an ice cream van, and really we wanted to make this festival as inclusive as possible. We wanted to create an inclusive space for our children and young adults to enjoy, to celebrate difference, and for them to be included within the festival was something that was really important to us. And then being able to express their choices about what they wanted at the festival. So for example, the wristband that I'm wearing and everybody else who attends the festival is wearing was created by one of our children within our children's service. We have some of our young adults who have chosen the drinks. They've also chosen mocktails for today's event. And we've also sent out a survey where some of our students expressed that they like an ice cream van. So we have an ice cream van on site as well. So it's a great day of fun, joy, and we're really looking forward to this year's event and next year's, bigger and better next year.
Very fast when